Some footage is more than video. It is memory. It is family history. It is the only copy of a moment that will never happen again. And when time, noise, instability, and age begin to erase it, you need more than a basic editor. You need a restoration suite built for the job.
Is that our baby? Is that your baby?
Professionally scanned film? Bring the raw Blackmagic files straight in. ATR develops the scan, finds where your footage starts, and masters it in wide-gamut, ready for DaVinci Resolve. Introducing Advanced Tape Restorer, version 6.2. With 20 AI engines, full analog and DV capture, professional analysis tools, and 12 purpose-built pages designed to take you from raw tape to finished master. Faces matter most. ATR Face Restore is our own model, and it can learn your family's faces from your own photos. It recovers real detail without inventing a face that was never there. Advanced Tape Restorer Pro. Bring them back the way you remember.